My name is Myles Crow. I lived here in this town since 1994. I was born with a disability. I worked for Brumbleberry Soap Corporation. I've been there for seven years. I said, it's time to get a house. I have my own independent, I could cook my own food. So I decided to join the Kulshan Community Land Trust. I moved in this place in the end of 2003. I had some bad issues of things and I don't know what to do. The city has a program it's called the Rehab program. We talked to Matt and I told him all my issue problems. So we had a guy came in and he looked at the painting, we got the flooring, we did everything, we had the fans. It absolutely keeps the air condition really good. A lot of people is low income and it's very hard for them to have enough money to buy, get things like new flooring or new lighting systems. It helped me and all the people like me out. Without them, it's very hard. I like the neighborhood because I could walk around. We have a York Neighborhood Chicken Co-op. It's the Goldie Girl right there. I grow food. I got like maybe about 12 garden beds. I love my house because it gives me the cheering of love. I feel happy.